Where was the last wolf in Scotland? Wolves once roamed all of Great Britain, but by the 1600s they were pushed to the far north of Scotland. Why they vanished? People trapped, poisoned, and shot them and their prey. Pelts fetched bounties. Livestock was protected and their forest habitat destroyed. By around 1750, Scotland's wolves were no more. The final refuge. The last survivors held out in the far northwest, in Sutherland. This wild region still had deep forests, very few people, and plenty of deer. The last day. In the early to mid-1700s, in a remote Sutherland glen, a lonely wolf. Chased down. Dogs and hunters closing in. Exhausted, hungry and wounded, she was the last. An end to a species that once ruled the Highlands. No match for fast-developing human abilities. The last wolf legend. Many Scottish regions claim the final kill. No one knows for sure.